you want to know what a track mat is and how to use it quick, then this is the video for you. I also have a free template for you to download, so stick around to the end if you want to hear more about that. Let's jump right in. So today we are working with track mats, which is basically when you want to show one layer through a shape defined by another layer. Alright, so to set this up, it is very simple. Come up to the top here, grab your rectangle tool and just drag out a rectangle. Very simple. Then I'm going to grab some footage, drop this underneath, and change the track mat of the footage to the shape layer 1. And it is simple as that. If you can't see this track mat column right here, just right click on this bar, go to columns and select modes. See that has switched mine off. So column, select modes. You can also just play around with these settings here. If you select this, you will invert the mat. If you select this, you will switch it to Luma mat. And generally the way that I figure out what I want to do in my project is just by clicking the buttons and seeing which one works. I just wanted to give you a few more examples of how you might work this. You can see down below I've got the text set up and it is defining what we can see of the footage behind. And another quick example, this time using circles and some effects on the second piece of footage. If you want to do things a little more complex, you can bring in shapes from Illustrator as well. However, that is it. Now, if you want to download this project file, it is in the description down below. You can get it for free. And within this project file, I have also included this free template for you. Whether or not you want to use this in your own projects for work, or even if you just want to pull everything apart and see how everything works just for learning purposes, that is totally up to you. But you can go ahead and download that down below now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!